How to negotiate price on Airbnb. First of all, you have to go ahead and launch the application, then look for the right listings, target the vacancy, look for the calendars with unbooked blocks starting within 10 days or look for the gap days. Now, you might also want to target the new host. Search for the properties with fewer than 5 reviews. They need bookings to build their rankings. So once you find such properties, all you have to do is go ahead and open it. And then all you have to do is scroll downwards until you find the message host option. Go ahead and tap on this. Then wait for the host to use a special offer tool inside the messaging thread. You can also simply send them a message requesting any discount offers regarding the specific Airbnb. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.